What's up guys, so as you've seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to create this Beyblade guys, and it is UnicornSting. As you can see, I know guys, it's been a long time not making a cardboard Beyblade, especially Beyblade XP. So today we're going to create UnicornSting with all accurate parts, so let's get started. Okay, first just let's take a thin cardboard piece like this, the cardboard piece. Okay, and here we go, fully dried up. And guys, while cutting cardboard piece, make sure to use a sharper cutter and also sharper scissors, otherwise you can get messed up. Acha. Wow, very satisfying cut, as you can see. Now it's time for some scissors. I have no idea guys why it's called UnicornSting. It would be much better if the name was actually Unicorn Scyther, because yeah guys, the blade is pretty much similar to Death Scyther Beyblade, because Death Scyther also has two contact points. One is little bit sharp and one is very smooth for defense and attack. And here you go, here's the layer template. Wow, looking very beautiful. Now let's just quickly do the other work. Okay, here we go. All the template copies are done. Now it's time for the ratchet. But before that, we have to add some glue to make it look shinier, you know. Shiny. Huh? Okay, let's just keep it here, guys. Let's keep the iron on top. And let's just wait for 5 minutes. Okay, guys, while the template is drying up, let's just also prepare our ratchet. 580, I guess so. Here we go, all the templates are done guys. Now it's time to cut.
A few moments later.
See, it's been 10 minutes and here we go. Wow, just look at that guys, fully colorful and also shiny template UnicornSting. Yeah guys, just taking out all the air from the cardboard, otherwise it will not be solid and it will be a little bit tough for me to cut. Yes, here we have all our cardboard template pieces, everything we need to make the UnicornSting Beyblade. Okay, it's time to do some scissor and cutter. Okay guys, finally all the templates are done, and as you can see guys, I'm done cutting all the templates. Okay, now it's time to die. So yeah, I have challenged myself that today I will create this Beyblade in 1 hour. And to be honest guys, I don't even know how much time it actually takes to make a cardboard Bey. I never noticed this, but let's see if I can create this Bey in 1 hour or not. Okay guys, now let's just quickly do the shaping. And usually guys, I use soldering iron to shape my Gaya! Oh sheesh. Almost just burned my finger. Anyway, this is nothing guys. UnicornSting really has a curved shape like this, so let me just quickly also add that for better attacking, you know. And it's a balanced type Bey, I guess. It comes with the gear point tip something, or gear point bit. Let's also add some super glue inside the Beyblade, because here I will attach the Bey with the launcher, you know, so this part really need to be solid and strong. Okay, here we go. Now let's just keep it to dry. As you know guys, I have added a curved shape, so yeah, that's why I need to make the bottom part fully smooth and straight, otherwise the ratchet will not attach properly with the Bey. So it's very needed guys. And here you go, Star Chef 580 ratchet. So guys, for the bait you definitely need a marker fan like this one, which has a head like this, which is almost similar to a gear like this. You can see the gear parts. So here we just need this. Okay guys, here's the gear bit. Now we just need to attach a small pointy part, something that will turn this gear into gear point. Okay, so here's the bit guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Almost looking like Phoenix cowl bit something. Why not? Yeah, why not this guys? Yeah, we can use this guys, as you can see. Okay, let's go. So as you can see here guys, we're going to stick this small piece inside the bit at the bottom, and here we go. We have gear point. Wow. What? Come on man, cut. Here we go guys, finally. Do it! Okay, now it's really looking like a bait gear point. As you know guys, I have challenged myself that I will create this bay in 1 hour. So it's actually 5:30 PM right now, and I have started the video at 4:45 PM. So okay, let's just quickly just make our Beyblade. We have just only 15 minutes left. So yeah, let's just quickly do the coloring and make our Beyblade and complete our challenge. Okay, let's go. So I will use pink at this side and also blue on the other side. Guys, the ratchet is white color, but I actually don't have any white color, but I have this color guys, skin color something. Okay, let's just apply this. I hope it will look better. What the heck, this is actually this cardboard color. Wow. I don't want to use this guys. This one is not that much great, so I will use blue guys. And here we go guys, finally we are done creating our new UnicornSting Beyblade. Wow, yeah, finally. Wow. And also guys, the challenge is completed. I have created this Beyblade under 1 hour, and I know you will not believe it. So here it is guys, look at that, 5:35 PM. So yeah, I still have 10 minutes left to complete this bay. So yeah, I have did it guys. I have created this Beyblade in 1 hour, because guys, usually it takes almost 2 hours to make a Beyblade, but this time guys, in 10 minutes, I mean in 1 hour. So okay, still we have 10 minutes left, so let's just add some colors on top of the red shit. Okay, here we go, our bay is fully ready. Now it's time to put the bay together. Then we will do some test battles, and finally, and let's go guys, let's see if it locks properly or not. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. And here we go, here we have our new UnicornSting Beyblade guys. Look at that, from the bottom it's looking really not bad that much. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. Finally guys, created after a long time, and still it's working very properly. Let's go, let's do some test battles. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. What? You didn't have to cut me off. Arey bhai, अरे भाई बस्ट खराब हो जाएगा मैं मार। शूट। ओ UnicornSting, शूट। अरे भाई This is why guys, I think making cardboard Beyblade X Beyblade with boss system, the result you can see. Swing.